Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 6. Today, we will work on a mini project using a student database. You will apply select, where, and order by to answer real world questions. This project will help you consolidate your learning and prepare for more advanced topics. Our student database has 5 columns: student ID, name, age, class, and marks. This schema is simple but realistic, and it allows us to practice queries that mirror school or college systems. Start with the basic select queries. Retrieve all columns or just specific ones like name and class. This helps you get comfortable with the data set. Use where to filter rows. For example, find students in class 10A or those older than 15. Filtering lets you answer specific questions. The like operator helps with the pattern matching. For example, this query finds all students whose names start with the letter R. Order by sorts results. You can list students by marks from highest to lowest, or sort by age from youngest to oldest. Now combine everything. This query finds students in class 10A and sorts them by marks descending. Combining where and order by is powerful for analysis. Here are some mini challenges. Try finding students older than 16 with the marks above 80. Listing class 9B students sorted by name, showing distinct classes, and displaying the top 3 students by marks. Your assignment: create your own students dataset with at least 10 to 15 rows. Write queries to select specific columns, filter by class and age, and sort by marks and name. Sharing results with others will help you learn faster. To summarize, today you applied select, where, and order by to a student database. You solved many challenges and built confidence. With this foundation, you are ready to explore relationships and joins starting tomorrow.